Welcome back guys to another video. Since my last video, it's been long. Since my last video, I haven't played this on camera, but as you can see, there is the Earth model today. And here's the things I like to change. I brought the reptile. Finally, the mammal, ape, and human. I really brought the human. So here's the thing. We need ideas to evolve. We need ideas. And I'm waiting for this moment, this time, to buy the rifle and evolve into middle age. I mean, reserving this spirit. So here, by the way, here's the thing. Okay, remember this? And look at this land. And ape. Here's the man. Here's what we're gonna see. That's awesome. Now it's usually man starts. Okay, let's put That's biology. Thinking press. Yeah, that's biology. Yeah. And age of discovery. By that way. Is that Galileo's? Scientific revolution. Now that's the Earth right there, boys. That's the Earth. So let's just try this. Laws of motion, optics, gravity. Nothing I value. Industrial, guys. What? A train? A train? A train. 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 Okay, we're just gonna get tap, really tap. And it's still awesome, it's so freaking awesome. By the way, if you guys want to know that the Earth is like this when I bought the humans. Just go to that when I bought the humans. Before, if you check my last episode, that was the only thing that you will see, not this thing. You will see that one, the other one. What would you need to evolve the humans now? Sure, okay. Humans, ape, reptiles, fish. I will just go randomly pressing these buttons. I've made offline. Off cam. The loss of gravity, loss of motion, calculus. Okay. I want to buy more. Okay, we're gonna get there, we're gonna get there. And here, I'm gonna show you a trick that somebody taught me. Well, his YouTube channel is now closed, apparently. But he taught me this thing that you could cheat all the way through other games, except of course other games that was intelligent. But I will not use that because but still, that's freaking awesome. The earth, the way it looks, is freaking awesome. So that will what will happen if you do that. Okay, what's this? Industrial Revolution radio. Okay. I can't wait until I buy the rest. Water radio. That's freaking awesome. Middle age, you will go here. So in this passing episode, I'll just show you what happens when I do it off camera, or I'm waiting to do it now on camera. But if I do it will take time and so much time. So that this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna show you the things that I found after, even before, if I'm really wanting you to show you. So just gonna wait. So you're just gonna wait until the next episode, until I think it's enough time to send it, because I'm still thinking doing this full version, the full game. I'm thinking of doing it until I finish it. I'm doing this on CP, cell phone, for your information. Wait, I have I'm just gonna show you the big things that happened, like when I finish these things, after I finish these things, and the thing that will come after. I'm just gonna show you that things, guys, and I'm just gonna quick recap on what I have done in this episode. So here's the my new episode. So I'm gonna show you guys this YouTuber that needs supporting, because shut up, alarm. This YouTuber needs this appreciation because he played Cell to Singularity before me, and see, he got 131 views, and we need to encourage him to play it more. The latest version. We need to encourage him. Subscribe to him, like, and comment down below and say, hey, please do more videos, because that was his latest video 4 months earlier. Well, after 4 months later, 19. So that's gonna be the end of this episode. If you learned something or expecting more, please subscribe, give a like, and of course, comment down below what you thought. I'm personally reading all of your comments, and I'm waiting for you to comment down below. Please follow my page on Facebook. I do more games there. I do more games, more like Ross, PUBG, Fortnite, and Creative Destruction. I play all those battle royale games there. And updates on where I'm about and what I'm doing. So please guys, learn something. See you next time on another episode of CP Bornfighter!